The Cadillac Escalade is more than just a vehicle, it is a symbol of American luxury, power, and innovation. Since its debut in 1999, the Escalade has redefined what it means to drive a full-size luxury SUV, blending bold design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. It is a vehicle that commands attention on the road, not just for its imposing presence but also for the statement it makes about its driver. The Escalade is not merely a mode of transportation, it is a lifestyle, a status symbol, and a testament to the pursuit of excellence. From the moment you lay eyes on the Cadillac Escalade, it is clear that this is no ordinary SUV. Its bold, angular design exudes confidence and sophistication. The signature grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, gives the Escalade a commanding presence that is instantly recognizable. The muscular body lines and chrome accents further emphasize its premium stature, while the available 22-inch wheels add a touch of sportiness to its otherwise elegant profile. The Escalade is a vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes, not just because of its size but because of its unmistakable aura of luxury. Step inside the Cadillac Escalade, and you are greeted by an interior that is nothing short of breathtaking. The craftsmanship and attention to detail are evident in every stitch, every surface, and every material. Premium leather upholstery, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum trim create an environment that is both luxurious and inviting. The seats are designed for comfort, with available heating, cooling, and massage functions that ensure every journey is a relaxing experience. The Escalade's interior is not just about comfort, it is about creating a space that feels like a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the outside world and enjoy the finer things in life. But the Cadillac Escalade is not just about looks and comfort, it is also a technological marvel. The latest generation of the Escalade features a 38-inch OLED curved display that spans the entire dashboard, offering an immersive and futuristic driving experience. This cutting-edge display is not just visually stunning, it is also highly functional, providing drivers with all the information they need at a glance. The Escalade also comes equipped with Cadillac's Super Cruise, a hands-free driver assistance system that allows for semi-autonomous driving on compatible highways. This feature, combined with a host of other advanced safety technologies, makes the Escalade one of the safest and most intelligent vehicles on the road. Under the hood, the Cadillac Escalade offers a choice of powerful engines that deliver the performance you would expect from a luxury SUV. The standard 6.2-liter V8 engine produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, providing more than enough power for both city driving and highway cruising. For those who demand even more performance, there is the available 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine, which offers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. The Escalade's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, while the available Air Ride adaptive suspension allows you to adjust the ride height for added convenience and versatility. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cadillac Escalade is its versatility. Whether you are navigating the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, the Escalade is more than capable of handling whatever you throw at it. With available four-wheel drive and a towing capacity of up to 8,300 pounds, the Escalade is as capable as it is luxurious. It is a vehicle that can seamlessly transition from a family hauler to a weekend adventure vehicle, making it the perfect choice for those who refuse to compromise. The Cadillac Escalade is also a vehicle that is deeply rooted in American culture. It has become a symbol of success and achievement, often seen in the driveways of celebrities, athletes, and business leaders. Its presence in popular culture, from music videos to movies, has only added to its iconic status. The Escalade is not just a vehicle, it is a statement, a reflection of the American dream and the pursuit of greatness. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about the Cadillac Escalade is the way it makes you feel. Driving an Escalade is an experience like no other. It is a feeling of power, of confidence, of being in control. It is the knowledge that you are driving one of the finest vehicles ever made, a vehicle that represents the pinnacle of American engineering and design. The Escalade is not just a car, it is an extension of who you are, a reflection of your values and your aspirations. In a world where luxury SUVs are a dime a dozen, the Cadillac Escalade stands out as a true original. It is a vehicle that has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible, setting new standards for luxury, performance, and innovation. It is a vehicle that has earned its place in the pantheon of automotive greats, not just because of what it is but because of what it represents. The Escalade is a testament to the power of ambition, the pursuit of excellence, and the belief that anything is possible. In conclusion, the Cadillac Escalade is more than just a luxury SUV, it is a cultural icon, a technological marvel, and a symbol of American ingenuity. It is a vehicle that has redefined what it means to drive in style, offering a combination of luxury, performance, and versatility that is unmatched by any other vehicle in its class. Whether you are cruising down the highway or navigating the city streets, the Escalade is a vehicle that makes every journey an unforgettable experience. It is a vehicle that embodies the spirit of America, a spirit of innovation, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. The Cadillac Escalade is not just a car, it is a legacy.